Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Checking in on the tech sector, XLK, Apple, Facebook on the daily, weekly time frame. So the tech sector has been on fire, new all-time highs 5 days in a row. It is a bit of a bearish reversal candlestick here at the top with the upper Bollinger Band as support still, but it's likely to start as resistance on Monday. If we do see a red day on Monday, this will confirm the bearish reversal doji and we'll look to consolidate. Our first target will be the gap fill down here at 53.84, and there's another one down at 53.31, but it would take a fairly bearish pullback in order to be looking to fill this second gap. So the bulls are in full control. The tech sector has been doing a significant job in helping the S&P 500 bulls stay in control. Big move to the upside on the weekly, nice follow through, and fending off this bearish MACD cross if we keep this bullish action up. We were right on that line and did not see the follow through to the downside. So we do have earnings coming up on two big names here, Apple Tuesday, Facebook Wednesday, and that the reaction to these earnings are going to have a significant impact on what we see for the tech sector in the near-term future. So Apple on the daily time frame, the middle Bollinger Band is at 142.93. This is healthy consolidation at this point, holding that level. 3 days of a pullback after a bull move to the upside, establishing a higher low, and on the verge of a bullish MACD cross if we can see the bulls head back up to 144.90. Key resistance after 144.90 is the all-time high. So bulls sitting pretty right now, liking how we are established. And for both of these names, Facebook and Apple, the risk to reward favors the bulls due to the position compared to blue sky breakout and the lack of resistance compared to how much support we have if it's a bearish reaction. So the Apple bulls looking for a strong reaction here to get a new all-time high. If it is a bearish reaction to earnings, we're going to be looking down here at 140.06. Bulls want to hold that level to keep the highest low pattern or the higher low pattern in control here on the daily time frame, keeping up for those bulls. Facebook on the daily time frame, upper wick of profit taking, bearish reversal, inverted hammer, a red day on Monday. We'll confirm that. We're going to test the upper Bollinger Band as support on Monday. And if we do see a bear break, we're looking to fill this gap at 147.75. Same thing. We've run pretty significantly to the upside. So we do need to be cautious of the potential that some of this bullish reaction is being priced in. But as we saw with Google that ran significantly before its earnings, it still saw a big gap up to the upside. So it's certainly not limiting the potential for the bulls, just something we want to be aware of, that a lot of bullish action is being priced in the past 2 weeks. So we'll see how the days leading up into the earnings report goes. I would not be surprised to see some profit taking just because of the significant move we've seen to the upside in the past 2 weeks. Normally that's what you see because it is a bit of a gamble in terms of the reaction to the earnings, so traders want to lock in those nice gains they have over those 2 weeks. On the weekly time frame for Facebook, extremely strong. Cannot be much stronger than this. Bullish, bull flag here, confirmation, increase in bull volume, close up near the high of the week. This is an ideal weekly chart for the bulls, and they are in full control. So tech sector strong, key earnings reports coming this week, and Wednesday is the FOMC as well. So it's going to be a potential fireworks. If we got a bullish reaction to the market on the FOMC and a bullish reaction on these earnings reports for Apple and Facebook, that's going to be the ideal scenario for the bulls, leading to a significant move to the upside, and we'll have to see how that does end up playing out. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll check back in on Monday as we get ready for these earnings. See you then.